Assalamu alaikum and welcome back, dear students. Today I am going to present you the third day's lecture of our assignment number 4, that is of how green you are. This is a very interesting topic. So today we are going to start this topic. Okay, now open your book on the very first page of chapter number 2, that is Clean and Green Pakistan. Look at question number 1, that is complete the survey to find out how clean and green you are. This is a survey which is related to you, right? You have to write about your own self. You have to tell about your own self. Okay, look at the first statement. I recycle glass, plastic packaging, paper and cardboard and tins and cans. You have to tick the correct option which is correct for you, right? If you usually recycle the plastic packaging and all this, then you have to take the usually. If you sometime do this activity, then you have to take the sometime. If you occasionally mean on some events, very rare, and never mean you have never done this, right? If you recycle the glass, the plastic packaging and all this thing usually, then take the usually. If you recycle them sometimes, then take sometimes. If occasionally, then occasionally. And if you never recycle the object, then you have to take the never, right? Similarly, you have to do for the question number 2. To conserve electricity, I switch off all the lights when I leave a room. If you do this, conserve mean to save something. If you if for the saving electricity you switch off all the lights when you get out of the room, then take usually. If you sometimes switch off the lights or fans, then take sometimes. If you occasionally switch off them, then take mark the occasionally. And if you never switch off them, then take mark the never. Similarly, you have to do all these 6 points. You have to tell about your own self, that what you do. Either you do it or you don't do it. Either you do it occasionally, either you do it sometime, either you do it never. You have to take that one, right? Okay, after self-analysis, when you have analyzed yourself and when you have tick marked the correct option which were true for you on the previous page, now look here, add up the scores from the survey. How you have to you have to give yourself some numbers, right? Give yourself 4 points for usually. Now look at every option, right? In the first option you have write usually, then give yourself 4 marks. Then if you have written sometime, then give 3 marks. And if you have given occasionally, give yourself 2 marks. And if you have written never, then give yourself never. You have to add up all the marks of all the 6 sentences, right? If you have tick mark the usually, then give yourself 4 marks. Let's say in the first you have give yourself 4 marks, then 3 2 1, and similarly like this. You have to now add up all these points, right? Make the total of all these points and then see which number you get, how many total points you get after giving yourself numbers and adding up yourself. Then look how much number you got, how many numbers you got. And if you fall in 1 to 5 category, you belongs to, perhaps you are lazy or maybe haven't listened to the information all around. And if you have got the marks from 6 to 10, then you fall in this statement. And if you have got 11 to 14 points, then you fall in third statement. And if you got 15 to 19, then you fall in second statement. And if you got 20 to 24 marks, then you are in first statement. This was you don't have to do any kind of written work. That was self-analysis. I think you will feel some curious in this topic because it's a little bit confusing for you. So yeah, if yes, then do ask me the question, right? I'll be there for you to answer you all the questions. After doing that activity, you have to do a written work, which is you have to make sentences of these given words. You have to make sentence of recycle, conserve, unwanted, strain, resources, reduce, and biodegradable. First of all, you have to find the meaning of these words, and then you have to convert these words into sentences. Right? This was all from your third day's lecture. In case of any query, do ask me.